mawala. Yung kunwari, meron kaming dance practice, pero yun pala pupunta sa bahay ng friend.
Yes, na nahuli.
Hindi ko rin alam bakit hindi ko na lang sabihin. You know, parang, whenever I look back, parang, why didn't I just tell her that I wanted to go to the mall? Why was I so scared na hindi ako papayagan? Kasi, parang I remember, lagi kami may kasama na chaperone or si Tito Dante, mom secretary at that time. Medyo nakabantay. So, hindi kami pwedeng basta-basta mag-mall. So, tumatakas na lang ako.
Unang-una bawal kasi sa pabeda to roam around with your uniform.
Anong ginawa mo at napaluhod ka sa mundo?
Hindi ko na alam.
Hindi, nagsinungaling siya.
All and I had a fight.
Yeah.